point out something that's going to be true for all of our backlot areas. So, for my Pretty Little Liars fans, we know this is as Allison De Laurentiis' house, right?
Yes.
A couple of things here. This is Warner Village. This was built in the early 2000s. This was built to replace an old western town called Laramie Street. This was actually the birthplace, Laramie Street was the birthplace of our first TV show, Warner Bros. First TV show, which was called Cheyenne. Well, we discovered in the early 2000s that westerns weren't very popular, but shows like Desperate Housewives, things about suburban neighborhood life was. Well, so we just built this neighborhood so that productions could utilize it for whatever show they need. Most recently, this has been used as an avenue from Big Bang Theory. Sheldon hates going down the street because of the speed bump. And the exits on the back sides of these houses, all in an effort so that if there's any productions going on, we can still let our workers get it in and out of their office spaces. Exiting Warner Village here, we're going to see what we refer to this office building as our bridge building. Can you imagine why we might call it a bridge building? The area we turn into Medford, Texas for the children's shelter. This is a backlot area that was built in the 1930s, but it most recently has served as the majority of Medford, Texas for our show Young Shelter. Now we can correct. Now, the inspiration for Central Perk is this green building on the left here. Now, Central Perk was not filmed in this building. Central Perk was actually filmed inside of a soundstage. But this is still a practical set, and all of the exteriors, anytime you were looking out the windows of Central Perk, you were seeing Tenement Alley. Now, this is also all of the exteriors for some episodes from Friends. You might remember where they all had to stand in a line and sing, "In the jungle, the mighty jungle," to get Marcel the monkey to... Exterior for our Abbott Public School, right there. Now this is an example of a planted set. It was planted on the ground in front of what used to be County General for our show ER. Totally looked like a fake hallway. But with a single lens camera, as you look in this hallway, it looks like it's a real hallway. So that entire sidewalk right there is all of Pasadena.
That's awesome.
As we turn to the right, you're going to notice these courthouse steps on the left here. This courthouse is the exterior for our show Night Court, both the original Night Court and the reboot of Night Court. In addition to that, for the Adam West Batman television series, this served as Commissioner Gordon's office. So every time they got called to the office, Batman and Robin would pull up in the Batmobile right out front here, and the seasons, or has had a significant cultural impact, is going to have a plaque on the outside of the stage where they filmed. reason to suspect universe number 40